There are growing signs that lower oil prices are here to stay as the world runs out of storage capacity. Now, analysts say that the massive sell-off in oil markets could continue for the next month as well. Let's take a look at some of those prices now. Brent crude earlier in the day was trading at just below $16 a barrel. That's its lowest price in 20 years. And right now it is up some 1.91%, up to $19.17 a barrel. Meantime, West Texas Intermediate, that light sweet crude oil, is down by some 3%. Now, attention is focused on the West Texas Intermediate contract for that June delivery. It's fallen by more than 40% so far, just a day after crude oil from the May delivery plunged into negative territory. Futures contracts require buyers to take possession of oil on a specific date, but it is hard to find buyers with storage capacity filling up very, very fast. Now, oil prices have already fallen by more than 2/3 since the coronavirus pandemic began. Here's some context to that. WTI crude price was about $60 a barrel. That was in January, all the way in January, before it plunged into negative territory just 2 days ago at minus $37.63, a historic low. Now, that's because lockdowns and travel restrictions mean that nobody is driving, flying, or pretty much doing much else. Meantime, the International Energy Agency forecasts oil demand to be down all year this year, with a huge decline at least until July. And making things even worse, U.S. oil regulators in Texas have delayed a decision on production cuts. An unprecedented output deal by OPEC and its allies just last week is also proving too little, too late.
We've just had, let's not get no bones about this, we've just had the OPEC, non-OPEC agreement, the world's biggest ever reduction in supply, and it's made no difference. Such is the scale of the demand destruction we've seen since the coronavirus hit.
And so the question is not, will there be a drop in supply? It's how fast will the supply drop happen, and will it happen fast enough so that you avoid overwhelming the supply chain?
U.S. President Donald Trump has already promised stimulus measures to rescue the oil industry. These include government funds to keep companies afloat, but observers say that bankruptcies and mass job losses are now inevitable.